Hey there, I'm Garrick, a Lush compounder here in Toronto. Anyway, today we'll be making Posh Chocolate Shower Gel. This fan favorite is a chocolate lover's dream. It's rich, nutty, and smells like chocolate cake. I missed that one in a very unfortunate way. Let's get started. Nuts are serious business. We begin by grinding the toasted hazelnuts. Then we tie the toasted hazelnuts in cheesecloth. Now we add our bag of toasted hazelnuts to a pot of boiling water. Hazelnut milk is packed with vitamin-rich properties and gives your skin some mega moisture. Speaking of moisture, it's time we fill our barrel with glycerin and cocoa powder. Did you know that cocoa is considered to be an aphrodisiac? Cocoa powder containing cocoa butter is a wonderful emollient. Oh yeah, nice and chocolatey. While glycerin is a humectant and draws moisture from the air into your skin to keep it hydrated and soft. And now we add Posh Chocolate's iconic scent. This fragrance smells like a rich and decadent chocolate pudding. It's indulgent and gourmand, but not too sweet when it lingers on the skin. We don't need that kind of temptation around here. And now we add just a pinch of salt. Once everything's been mixed in, we let the product cool before it's sent to our filling department. There it's squeezed into bottles, ready to be enjoyed. And that's how you make Posh Chocolate Shower Gel. If there are any other products you'd like to see next time on how it's made, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
That was great. Yeah.